Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Roblox Premium earnings to payout options, detailed guide step by step clearly. To withdraw your earnings from Roblox Premium, start by logging into your Roblox account. Once logged in, navigate to the settings gear icon located in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on the gear icon to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings. On the Settings page, find the Account Info tab and click on it. Look for the Developer Exchange option, also known as DevX. Before using DevX, ensure that you meet the eligibility requirements. You need to have a minimum balance of 100,000 Robux to withdraw. Additionally, your account must be in good standing and meet other criteria set by Roblox. Once you've confirmed your eligibility, navigate to the Developer Exchange page. Here, you will see your current balance and the details necessary for requesting a payout. Select the amount of Robux you wish to convert. Be mindful of the payout options available to you. You can choose between direct deposit or PayPal. Ensure you have an active PayPal account linked for smooth transactions. If opting for direct deposit, input your bank details carefully. Once you've selected your payment method, review all information for accuracy. After confirming everything is correct, click on the Request DevX button. Your request will be submitted for review by Roblox. Be aware that it may take several days for your payout to process. Check your email for any notifications regarding your payout status. Once approved, funds will be transferred to your selected payout option. Keep in mind that payout fees may apply based on the method you chose. After receiving the funds, verify that they have appeared in your account. If you encounter any issues, consult Roblox's support for assistance. You are now ready to enjoy your earnings from Roblox Premium. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.